Alright, welcome back everybody. It's Albert Lebel, and I've got a challenge lock already set up in the vise here. Now I put unknown, but it is a ISEO or ISEO, whatever it's called, and I put that X3 here because it actually has, anyways, it's from Fun. I think that's how you say that, from Fun. And the reason I put that X3 is because there is by the way, that's how I got the key. I believe Bill Bacardi sent me this one, so thank you, Bill, for sending it my way. But there was an X3 little small sticker with an X3 on the key and on the side of the lock. So I don't know if that's the identifier, but that's the where it says from Fun. So that's all I know about the lock. Other than that, there's no other like name or number on the lock. So sounds like the neighbor's dog yapping away back there. That's wonderful. Perfect timing. Okay, let's see. I'm going to try, I think this will fit up top here. Yes, good enough. Alright, and this one here, I did try this one a bit ago, and it's another one of those. Let me see if I can get a decent shot. Well, yeah, you can see it. It's got a pretty decent wavy keyway there. So we're sort of paracentric. It's a little bit tough to navigate. You can't go from the bottom because the way it's so wavy, so you have to kind of go off this ledge, and in order to do so without oversetting the pins in the front, I'll be using this pick right here and kind of going in and sort of tilting it like I did a recent lock like that, where you kind of got to go in and twist. I wish that dog would shut the heck up. Alright, so let's see if we can get something started here. Feels like about 4. Maybe. Yep, got a little bit. Try to get something to react. I think I got to click off a 1. Three. Trying to get something to see if I can get something to react to the pick here. There we go. Got a nice little tiny bit of a turn when I hit. I want to say it was pin 4. Still digging around in the back here. Alright, all the way in the back I think I got one. Want some action. I'm going to twist. See if I can get it to set. Yep, got a little bit more of a turn off of that one. Coming back out. I want to say it's 4 again. I think, yep, okay, so I must have dropped it, setting that one all the way in the back. All the way in the front, number 1. Okay, but now I dropped a whole bunch, it felt like. Yep, okay, so pin number 1, I probably should have got it earlier. Going back in again. All the way in the back. See if I can do it without dropping everything again. Nope. That didn't work out too good. Alright, come back up and see if I can get the front one. Nope. It is really tricky when you got to use that twisting motion. Okay, I think I got that first one again. Okay, I got that turn back. Oh, see, now I dropped 1 again. I think 1's going to be a gatekeeper. That's my feeling. Okay, 4. Felt like I got it set. Okay, that felt good. felt even better. All right. And I think we still have pin 1 set, so let's see. We got something else still jacking with us here. Now I'm going to have to feel around and see if it talks to me. I think I got it right here. Let's find out. I don't know. Yes, beautiful. There we go. We got it. Beautiful. What a great lock. What a great lock. Had me running back and forth. All right, beautiful. Well done. Well done. Well done. Let me get this. Golly. All right, now I can show you, I think, that X3 I was talking about right here. So it's on the lock and it's on the key, so I'm guessing maybe that's the identifier. I don't know. So we're open, fair and square. I'm going to lock it. Well, actually, let's see. Let's first of all, let me get backed out so we can see what we're doing here. The key looks like it's got tape and oh yeah, it's got tape and let's go ahead and do this. I will although I'm showing it now on camera, I guess I will, you know what, I won't show the key. I'll keep that a secret for the next guy. Let me just pray to God it works. Yes, it does. Good. Okay. So yeah, I'll just leave the key on the side. We know the key works. This way, when the next person gets this, hopefully they don't know what the key looks like. All right. We've got a nasty looking clip on the back. I think I'll use these things for that one. Let's see if I can grab a hold of it. Kind of push it out. Yep, beautiful. I'll tell you what, man, I got these things right here with like 5 different tips from Harbor Freight, and they done paid for themselves the first time I used them. They're beautiful. Okay, pinning tray. Let's see where we're at. Sorry about that. Probably come in a little bit. All right, bada boom, bada bang. We got the clip off. Get the key in there. And boy, this is a really nasty long. I hope we don't have any problems with this. Let's find out. I'll try a shim anyways. But it's so long. I don't have shims any longer than the standard size. Let's see if this regular follower fits. I hope this works out. Yep, okay. 5-pinner, look how long that dang thing is, man. Good golly, Miss Molly. So, I'm going to try to keep the key. There we go. So, they all needed picking, fair to say? Oh my goodness. Pin 1's been modified to the T's. Same with pin 2. And 3. Yeah, these all got some work done to them. No wonder it had me going back and forth. Really fun lock to pick. Really fun. I like that one. I like it when they make you work for it. Make you use your head a little bit. Okay, on the core we've got well, I'll tell you what, it kind of looks like there's some weird threads in there, but almost like someone took a screw and just kind of twisted it in the holes. I don't even know if the camera's going to pick that up, but I will give it a shot. They're not normal threads. They're almost just scratched around it. Real weird. Maybe just to throw off the feel a little bit. Because it does look intentional. It doesn't look like... let me see if we can get that shim out of there. Oh, that shim is lost up in there. Got it. Okay. Alright, tweezers. I'm going out of whack here. Pin 1. Oh yeah. modified. You know what? I'm just going to lay these down. We don't need to go through all that twice. I hate when they drop in there. Pin 2. Kind of like a double spool action. Ah. Three. Very modified. Oh boy. Like a bunch of gunk holding them springs in there. 4. Very modified. God, every one of these pins has been plased up, or not plased up, dremeled up. Alright, and number 5. Oh yeah, lots of work. And I'm sure there's nothing done in there because that would have had to been drilled out or something. Yeah, no mods up in the Bible, we'll say. Alright, bada boom, bada bing. Bring my little cardboard table around here. And bring the camera down and look at some penny pins. Looks good, I think. Alright, looks good enough, I think. We're focused over here. Key pins, we've got a fully serrated in 1. Pretty much the same thing in 2. Got a wide serration in 3. As you can tell, multi-serrated. Very fine serrations in 4, real fine. 5, serrated all the way up. Again, like I said, there's been dremeled a lot. Number 1 driver looks like a factory spool, but it could be homemade. Number 2 is kind of like a double-sided spool, double-ended spool. 3 is kind of like one of them, what do they call them? Them, not the darts, but the dang, them pellets. Almost like a pellet. 4, double serrated. 5, single serration. Very fun lock from, where's the camera at? From Fun. Thank you so much, and like I said, I believe Bill Bacardi sent me this one a little while back, so Bill, thank you for sending it my way, and that'll do her. Big Al, signing out.